What is up, you guys? Midlife Buys back here in Las Vegas, and today I am staying at downtown Las Vegas on Fremont Street. I am staying at the Golden Gate Hotel, which is this tiny little 4-story hotel, but it was $19. So I want to show you guys what $19 gets you in downtown Las Vegas. First and foremost, you can see how close it is to all the action. Right outside the Golden Gate, they do have a really long bar and one of those slushy bobber makers. I don't really drink those because I think they give you a headache in the morning, but people seem to love them out here. Golden Gate is affiliated with Circa. It's owned by the same company. So you have this really high-end resort that they give you a free drink at one of their restaurants when you stay at the Golden Gate. And it's right across the street, or walkway, I should say. Also, you can use your Players Club over at the D Las Vegas. So you got the D, Circa, and the Golden Gate all connected. So make sure you get your Players Club. Now it is a Tuesday afternoon and it is kind of busy for just the afternoon. I'm curious to see what the nightlife is going to look like here on a Tuesday night. Okay, well, there's not much to this room tour because this room is pretty small. I guess this is what I get for $20 in downtown Fremont. I'm not complaining because it's just 20 bucks. I mean, there is a resort fee, there's taxes, so it's about $55 out the door. Everything else around here though right now is easily over $100 out the door, maybe closer to 150. I got the single queen bed room here, non-smoking. It has a dresser there, only one night light or one lamp, no lamp, alarm clock, cool pictures, lamp, chair, small TV, mirror, cabinet. You think maybe there's a refrigerator in here? No, but there is a safe. Oh, and a hairdryer. Shall we check out the view? Look at this view, guys. It is so spectacular. I see a roof. I see an air conditioning unit. I see a corner of Circa up there, which is affiliated with this hotel. Obviously much more expensive and much nicer. But this is my view. Can't expect much for 19 bucks. Oh yeah, all that noise, the air conditioning. It's really loud. I do have to say, it is a classic. Look at these knobs right here. But here is the bathroom. It is, oh, I think that hit the toilet. Let's go see. Oh, I'll probably be doing that a lot. So the door doesn't open all the way because the toilet's in the way. It's okay, it's me. No one's gonna hit me. If I'm in here, there's nobody out there. Sink, mirror, nice shower head, bathtub. Do you think they keep it dimly lit in here for a reason? I'm kind of scared. It does have a closet right across from the bathroom. Let's see what's in there. Got my luggage in there. So we got some hangers, we got an iron, we got a mini ironing board, we got a luggage rack, a shelf, and it goes way back in there, this little closet. It's actually pretty big. It's almost as big as the bathroom. I'm gonna be very honest, I was not expecting much for a $20 room, $19 if I wanna be exact. So for me, this room looks like a place where you're just gonna come and sleep. You're not planning on spending a lot of time in here, you're planning on spending time in the casino and Fremont Street experience. There's a lot to do down there. So I'm probably gonna take you out with me tonight on Fremont Street, show you what's happening down there because I love Fremont Street. And I've stayed at the Plaza, we've stayed at the Californian, so we still have many more hotels that we have to stay at down here because I love the fact that you don't have to walk forever to get anything. There's drinks, there's dancing, there's bands, all that's free except for the drinks. But for 20 bucks, $55 out the door, there's only valet parking on property, and valet parking is free. You just have to tip the valet. I don't know, what do you give them, 10 bucks? I'll probably give them 10 bucks. That's probably cheaper than parking over at the Plaza or over at the Circa, whatever that, Garage Mahal, which I think are the closest parking lots to here. So I'll just valet, pay them 10 bucks. I'm here for one night. Good deal. The bed seems a little firm, but I'm here one night, so it should be okay. It's a little tough. 2 pillows. Again, what do I expect for $19? 2 pillows, not 4, not 3, just 2. Glad it's just me, because Becky would probably want those 2. Let me give you my final thoughts here on the Golden Gate Hotel and Casino. Now last night, the casino went from like a mild-mannered themed mob-run casino to a very burlesque-y. There were dancers behind the tables. The dancers were the dealers. So very adult themed. So probably don't recommend you bring your kids here. Just because it's very adult themed in there. I understand they're going for a male audience, so I actually went to other casinos to gamble. Luckily I did because I won some money, which makes me happy. The casino part, they have some good slots. It's not that big. They were friendly. The hotel room itself, you guys, here's my final thoughts on that is probably don't stay here. I guess it's okay if you're really just gonna come, crash, and leave early. The problem is, I went to bed somewhat early, 9:30, 10, and Fremont Street is popping, and it's popping for hours. And let me tell you, I'm on Fremont Street, and these are old windows. They're not soundproof. So all night long, I was hearing the band just screaming, and the crowd would roar, and I'd be like, wake up, and yeah. I'd rather spend the extra money, be in a newer hotel that has better soundproofing and a little bit of a nicer room. I mean, I started noticing things like some stains on the carpet, the vent in the restroom above had like dirt hanging from it. So overall, I'll probably never stay here again. I might come here and gamble during the daytime when the dealers are dressed, but I mean, nothing wrong with, sexy women or anything, but it's just, I come to gamble, I want to gamble. That's just me. So I would say no. But there's definitely affordable options that are just a little bit more, maybe $50, $60 more around here. So I would stay at those. I do like staying at Fremont Street because I like the party atmosphere that they have here. What do you think? Have you ever stayed at the Golden Gate before? If so, leave me a comment. Let me know if you would stay here. Appreciate you watching. Thank you very much, and we will catch you next time.